Okay, we are here again. I hope you are having a nice holiday. We wanted to talk about something that I think is more important than all the conspiracy theories and doom and gloom. It's how to create a wonderful life. Well, it sounds, or it might sound for some complicated and others easy, but the bottom line is it all depends how you think. If you think that life is difficult, you will align with difficulty. And if you think that life is beautiful, you will align with beauty. If you appreciate nature, nature will do something to your energetic field, and you'll think about something. For example, you want blackberries, and you'll find a place where to find them and have the most delicious natural blackberries that haven't been genetically modified or, pesticided or whatever. If you want to be loved, you will discover that everything loves you. Every single plant, every single tree, the sky, the earth, every crystal, everything natural loves you, naturally, because everything loves each other. So being in a wood is the closest things one can do to understand real love. Trees can tell you when it's the right time to go to a place, when it's not a good time to go to a place, because you might find difficulty or unpleasantness. They are such incredible friends and such a wise people that tells you, what to do. I often find myself inspired in the mornings. I get complete chapters for my books and stuff like that. And I don't know how. I cannot explain how, other than what I do is I have friends which are trees. And ever since I have all these friends that are trees, I have never felt lonely again. I don't feel the need to be around people, but if I am around people, that's fine too. It doesn't really bother me. It's kind of, I have shifted from trying to be accepted and loved than just being me. And I think that is the best gift one can give to oneself. Because if you accept yourself as you are, and you have to change something in your life, you will do it because you want to, not because somebody tells you, you ought to do this, or you ought to do that, or you ought to eat that, or you ought to eat the other, which many times doesn't really work. I have tried so many diets because of my health issues through life, and it's only when I started listening, and squirrels tell me actually that the best bet I can do is to eat natural things, like weeds and berries and nuts and that kind of thing. Fungi is very good for you. Fungi is the fruiting body, not the fungi. So you are not really killing the fungi, you are just taking some fungi. But if you don't know what you are doing, don't pick up fungi, because there are poisonous ones. And well, that is how you build your life. Then I realized that I had everything I needed, and I started focused on enjoying every moment. And that enjoying of every moment has changed my life, because I don't worry about the next day. I just take it as it comes. And somehow I have found a way to earn enough money to have everything I need. It might not be a flash life. I do have a home, but I do only do now repair work when it's needed. I am not forever trying to have a house that looks like the House Beautiful programs, because that the idea of beautiful that is now, it doesn't really agree with me. I like surrounding myself with acorns and bits and pieces, branches that I find that, here there are plenty of them, that have an artistic flow and stuff like that. You don't really need to take anything. You can just take what is not needed any longer. and create the most beautiful environment. So on that note, I think I'm going to leave you thinking about how to enjoy yourself every minute, naturally, not trying to be somebody else, not trying to achieve what you don't want to achieve because you feel like dragging your feet and you would rather be somewhere else. Cutting your clothes to suit your life with your income, with an income. I don't work full time, I work part time now. I don't go to fine restaurants. I have done plenty of that in my life, and to be honest, it made no difference to my happiness in the end. I don't waste. I recycle everything. I take opportunity of things, and I don't even need any remedies anymore or supplements. I just listen to nature. And as I listen to nature, nature listens to me. And I am happy, and I'm doing the best I can for nature. And nature does the best it can for me. And it's a symbiosis that has made me better. Generally speaking, and my health is much better. Working with crystals is turned my life around completely. I never leave the house without a couple of little crystals. That's the way I deal with things. Okay, I am going to leave you now until the next time. Bye.